Anyiti itemi aria marumboyagia ciana iria cikaraga mikira-ini ya barabara maugite hari bata wa thirikari guthie na mbere na kunyitithania ciana ici na aciari ao na kumahe uteithio mari micii-ini yao.
We believe, because we have observed over the years that we have served, the struggle that some of the kids have had in reintegrating to their communities. So we feel them being reintegrated at an early stage is even much better, because it gives them time to know the people in their families, those they are connected with, and they connect with the others who are in their broader communities, so to speak.
Maugite ni hari bata wa gucokaniria family ici kuna angi maumite kwao ni undu wa mathina matiganite, na riria matithirio mari micii ni mekuhota kwamukira motungata ma mwanya oro undu umwe na wendo wa aciari na andu a nyumba.
Kama mimi kama ningelelewa kwa family care ningekuwa niko sawa, kwa sababu unapata mtu unaweka mtoto kwa institution anakaa anafikisha miaka kama 20 ama 22, mwishowe ana place nyingine anaweza enda na ashafikisha miaka, kwa sababu sheria ina recognize mtoto ni below 18 years. Sasa imekuwa hao watoto wakisha grow afika hiyo age wanaachiliwa na institution. Sasa kikuja hapa anapata dunia si venye alikuwa amezoea pale, ni kupewa chakula hivyo. Sasa mimi naona is a good idea what government is trying to do. We can help these families wakati wako kwa mafamilia zao.
Maugite ona thengia wa gukorwo kuri na andu maroraga ciana ici na irio na nguo riria cire o mikira-ini ya barabara hari bata wa kumacokaniria mucii niguo mahote kwamukira motungata maya na njira iri na ubaciriri.
We've targeted teenagers in the past, those aged between 13 to 16, and we've also worked with youth for empowerment. We've also worked with women and young girls to help them become empowered to live a better life than the one on the streets.
Maugite utungata uyu wa micii-ini uria wambirie mwaka muthiru ni uciarite maciaro mega, kuona ati mararorwo me hakuhi na micii yao na aciari ao.
Ninashukuru sana pia Rimedo aliweza kunisaidia na mahali nimefika, wacha niseme ni hao wamefanya percentage kubwa venye niko sahi sasa.
Ni mahete hinya family iria cikaraga mikira-ini ya barabara makimera guikara mikira-ini ya barabara tiguo mwisho wa muturire.
In fact, when you meet many of those that have come through and they tell you they lived on the streets, it would be difficult for one to really accept it, but it is true. They've come through the streets of Eastleigh and now they have their families, and they don't want their children to go through the same life they did, and so they are doing the best to make their kids grow well and they are succeeding in life.
Maritie o mari mwena wa Eastleigh guku Nairobi, handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njitagwo Dan Chege.